Team Oasis was set up in 2003 as a totally inclusive early intervention children's charity. The intention is to bring children of all abilities together, so we break down the barriers, build awareness and respect amongst difference and ability levels, but all the time doing that with a massive range of activities, joy in everyone's heart, lots of fun. We began with just 8 children with no centre and just a battered old minibus that a friend of mine loaned me, and 25 football teams later, there we are, and loads of dance later and holidays later and all sorts of fabulous stuff, always inclusive. We now have in excess of 400 children attending every week. We're actually introducing our inaugural free PAT testing service for the community today. It should be absolutely fabulous.
This is the very first community event or community facility that I've heard of or know of in the Liverpool area that's actually offering this PAT test. A lot of the community, they won't know about safety. It's like certain private landlords, they'll come round every year and say they do what's called an annual safety inspection. They'll check your electrics, they'll check your cabling, they'll check your gas and stuff like that. So PAT testing is just like an additional add-on, just to make sure the items you've got in and around your home are still usable and still safe to use. Hey mate, you okay?
Yeah, I've got this
right.
for you.
Okay. So the thing what we do with the portable appliance test is the first thing we do is we test it for safety to make sure that it works. So the first thing we do is what's called a visual inspection. So we check the condition of the plug and we check the condition of the wiring as it's going into the unit.
Yeah.
And as we can see, we've got some damage here.
Yeah.
So if I just slightly bend that, see right there now, we've got wire exposed there.
Yeah.
So we got it earth and alive. So therefore, it's possible that this could catch fire at any time. Or if anyone's using it and they touch the wire, it could basically give them electrical shock and cause a bit of damage there. So straight away, without having to put it on the machine to actually test it, straight away, that's what we call a fail. So because of the condition of the wire, and it's a main wire that goes right into the machine, it can't be replaced. So therefore that item unfortunately would have to be binned.
Okay, right.
Obviously as a matter of safety.
Funding from ESF is critical. I think it's an absolutely fabulous project. Just recently we heard about an electrical fire in our community, which was devastating. For me, every item that we ensure is safe is potentially saving somebody's life.
I'm a professional musician and I brought my keyboard in to be PAT tested today. As a musician, you play in lots of different venues around the country, and a lot of the time they ask for PAT test certificates, so it's been an amazing opportunity to get it done for free, because a lot of the time there's like loads of extra prices as a musician that all add up, so just getting this extra thing done has been amazing.
And there will be what's called an earthing screw. So when we're doing the likes of this kind of testing, is we look to see that we find the right screw. So as you can see, that's what it is. So it's good. So we can put a sticker on it to say it's been tested.
I feel like I've learned a lot about PAT testing today, and I think as well, like, it's one thing I never really learned about when I was studying like this side of things, so to be able to ask all the questions and make sure I'm doing it right has been really helpful.
It's the beginning of a journey that is going to grow and grow and grow, and mark my words, it will be saving lives, I'm sure, as we build this safety awareness, natural safety awareness across our community. So ESF and the team at ESF, a big thank you from myself, Paul, and the team at Team Oasis here in Dingle, in the heart of Toxteth in Liverpool.